and there.
The baby.
You going to check out the goats?
Yeah.
Okay, sleep. Let's go see the goats. So,
Hey Dad, let's go to the ferry.
Sure, we'll go check them out. I'm just getting a little bit more video of these guys.
Oh no. Come on. I want them to go. Yes, they're running.
Oh, did you see that? Mommy called them. Mommy called them over. Look, they're all going. Wow. See, they communicate like that, James.